Bonjour! Today I'm with Yuli and we're gonna teach you how to make intro video for modeling. Let's go! To do intro video, you will need to wear first high heel, then a basic jean, can be black, white or blue, then a tank top without any logo and plain color, black or white. To do the intro video, you only need your phone. Ask one of your friends or your family to take the phone for you, make the video mode, and I will show you right now what you need to record. For the video, only say your name, your height, and where you come from. Don't really need to say your age because it's about how old you look like.
Hi, my name is Yuli. My height is 175 centimeters. I'm from Ukraine.
Thank you guys for watching and thank you Yuli for today. If you want to know more about how to become a model or anything, please, yes, subscribe to the channel. Much more videos are coming. And if you want everything in one book, I just need to write my book. So please look at the link below. Bye guys.
Hi, my name is Yuli. My height is 175 centimeters. I'm from Ukraine.